Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope so you all are good, and today I'm going to show you the Canvas application. This is particularly for the University of Liverpool, but most of the universities in UK uses Canvas, so this is going to be really informative video for you guys, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process from login and how you can access your modules, your calendar of whole year, and how you can see the module contacts or how assessments works, and how can you see the grades and all that thing. Canvas has too many features, so I'll be covering all the features in this video, so watch the video till the end and let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you will be needing to open your web browser. For me it is Safari. Then we just need to search Canvas Liverpool University. You will find this page where you will need to fill all your credentials given by your university. So I will fill my details in a second. Also wanted to tell you, whenever you will sign up in your account anywhere, whether you are using university's computer in the library or you are using it for your own use, you will get a code on Duo app mobile, because every account is protected by double factor authentication. So once I click sign in, I will get the code and I have already confirmed it. Once that is completed, I will be logged into my dashboard on Canvas. On dashboard you can find your current modules. These are my modules of last semester, as summer holidays are going on, so all my upcoming modules will be updated in September, and everything on dashboard is customizable. You can change the color and also you can rename the module. Now let's move on to one of our module, which is accounting and finance. Once you click there, you will get all the information. For example, if you need module information, learning materials, module assessments or module contacts, or even if you need any help and support, you will get the option for that. Now let's click on the module information, where you will find module handbook. I would say this is really important for you to read, as you will get to know everything about your course. You can find module contacts, learning outcomes, assessment strategy. It is a 14-page PDF. Just go through everything. You can also find OMS attribute, which will tell you what skills you are going to develop on the completion of the course, and even you can find your assessment deadlines or how you have to perform the assessment, and you can see the academic integrity, and this is really important tool, so utilize it when you sign up on Canvas. Now let's move on to module contacts, where you can find all the information about your professor, your seminar leaders, or even the office hours in case you want to see them in person. Now let's move on back to our home page, where now I'll be showing you the module assessment. When you click on module assessment, all the assessment which are due or you have already submitted will be shown here. You can see when is the deadline, and if they have been graded, you can see the grades as well. Now let's move on to discussions, where you, in case you have any question, you can just post it here and professor or students will reply you as soon as they can. Then you have the announcements. If your professor have any announcement, they'll just post it here and you can just directly click and see what message is there in case you don't have classes or something like that. Now I will show you the grade section. Here you can find your given marks on your assignments and class quizzes. So guys, before moving in forward in the video, I would like to say, if you haven't booked your accommodation till now, the link would be in the description box below for Amber Student, and once you sign up there, Amber Student team will contact you within 1 hour and you can find all the accommodation near your university or in the city. I would say do not wait for your visa, as all the accommodations are getting booked. Book your accommodation right now as soon as possible, because if you are going to delay it further, it is going to create a problem for you guys. So I'm warning you, please book it right now, and the link is in the description box below. Go and check that out. And now let's continue with our video. So guys, now I will show you the most important thing on Canvas, which is learning materials. And once we click here, you can find all the module resources for every week. You will also get recommended material, which can be in the form of videos, PDFs, books, etc. And these materials help you to understand the topic even better. Now let's open week 2 material. Once you open this, you can see the recording of the lecture, which gets uploaded within 24 hours. You can also find your lecture notes, and after scrolling down you can find practice quiz only if your professor conducts it, and at last you can see seminar questions. Before going to it, you can see the material. Now let's open week 3 where I will show you how lecture notes looks like. So here is the PDF which can also be downloaded on your computer. I can't show you all the content because of the privacy. To give you idea, this is how it looks, and you can also see the learning outcomes in every lecture, and you will find the PDF file for all the lectures you attend at the university. Now let's go back to our homepage. So guys, all the features which I showed you are the same for all modules. There can be a slight difference, but mostly you will find this. And if you click on the courses on left menu bar, you can see all the current modules of your semester. Then comes the calendar, which is really important, as you can see your timetable for a whole semester, which tells you the timing and location for the lecture. Now let's move on to the last thing, which is inbox. Once you will click here, you can find all the emails from the university, so you don't need to open your Outlook account every time, as you can access all the emails from inbox, which is really convenient. And this was all about Canvas, and Canvas also has the mobile app. You can see it from there, and if you click on the account, you can see your profile, your file settings, which you can change. You can change into dark mode or any mode you like. So this was it, and now I will see you at the outro. So guys, that's it in the video. Hope so you liked it. I'm trying my best to give all the information to you guys, and now it is only 1 month left. You all will be coming in September intake, most of you guys. So all the best for your visa application if it hasn't come yet. And please do comment down below what else video do you want. Suggest me some topics, and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon, because whenever I'll upload the video, you will be notified. And like the video, and guys, share this video to all those people who are planning to come abroad. And I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye guys.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to